In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can download and install Microsoft Office 365 in two ways. So if the first way works on your PC, well and good. So if it doesn't, I'll take you through another way. There are only two ways you can install Microsoft Office 365, and I have both of them. If you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing and liking the tutorial. I've started the tutorial. I'm going to start by opening Google Chrome. It's going to be a step-by-step guide so that even if you have never did something like installing Office, this is the simplest video you have decided to watch. So, after opening Google Chrome, you're going to search the deployment tool. Sorry, it is called Office Deployment Tool. We're going to search Office Deployment Tool, and then you're going to download this Office Deployment Tool. It's the first website, so you're going to select your language you want to download this deployment tool in. I'll select English and I'll download. So it is downloaded and it is in my downloads. So I'm going to come to my File Explorer, and then after opening File Explorer, I'll go select this PC, and then after I'll go and select my C drive or my local drive, and then I'll create a new folder in the local drive. So I'm going to come new so that I can create a new folder in the local drive, and I'll call that folder Office 365. Then after, I'm going to check yes. It seems that I had created one. Let me first remove all this. So it is that folder Office 365. It is right here in my C drive. I'm going to come and look for in my downloads, then get the Office Deployment Tool and then copy it, and then go back to the Office, go back to this PC, then my local drive, then open Office 365, and then I paste the deployment tool. I'm going to come and right click on the Office Deployment Tool and then run the deployment tool as the administrator, and then I'll accept it to make changes on my PC. I'll click here to accept the Microsoft software license terms and conditions, then continue, and then I'll select where I want this to come. So I'm going to select the Office 365 folder, which is in this PC. Then it is in my local drive or my C drive in the folder called Office 365. I will select OK, and then files will be extracted successfully into this C drive. I will delete the Office Deployment Tool from my C drive, so I will delete it from this folder, and then I will remain with two files. I will remain with this and this. Let us go to the second step. So I'll come back to Google Chrome, and then go to config.office.com. That is the website I want to go to. I'll visit that website, and then I'll go and then select this create, and then I'll choose the architecture. Mine is 64. You're free to choose 32, but if you use a 32-bit computer, but mine is 64-bit computer. So I'll go to Office Source. I'll select Office Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise. I'll go select the language. I'll customize these apps, the app I want, the app I don't. Then next, the language, the primary language. I'll select any language I want. And then I'll come export. So I'll choose Office open XML formats, then check OK, and then I'll accept the terms in the license agreement, and then check export. So this one will be exported. It is now checking for safety, and then it is done being exported. So I'm going to find this in my downloads. I'll come, it is configuration, it must be configuration 1. Let me copy, and I'll paste into this. So I'm going to go back to my downloads, and then I copy the configuration file, and then I go back to this PC local disk, then I look for this folder, Microsoft Office 365, and then I paste. After, I'll be having 3 files. I have the setup, the configuration, and then the configuration. So I'll come at this Windows icon, I'll press the Windows button, and then after I'm going to type in CMD or command prompt. So I'll run command prompt as the administrator, and then this is what I'm going to type in my command prompt. So in my command prompt, I'm going to type in CD, which stands for change the directory. I leave a single space. I'll come and then back to this this PC. Let me go back this PC, and then check into that local disk, then Office 365, and then I'll come back. I want to copy this address, and then I copy that address to my clipboard, and then go back to my command prompt, and then I paste. After they're going to open that, as you see. Now I'm going to come and put in setup.exe, leave a space, a single space, then slash configure, then leave a space, a single space, then configuration .xml, and then after enter. So this may work on your PC or not to install Microsoft Office 365. So that is the first method. Microsoft Office is going to be installed on my PC using that method. So let us go to the next method if this fails. So as it is installing, right here, as you see, mine is installing. Microsoft is installing in the background. So this is the next method. You're going to come to Google Chrome. Let me first rub in this, and then I type in google.com. Google. So you're going to come where you type from, and then put in Musgrave, then enter, then go and check that website. You're going to come and look for download Windows/Office, and then you're going to come and then look for Office C2R installers, and then once you select that, give it some few seconds, then scroll down. You're going to look for this. You see this one, it is Microsoft Office 365 retail. There is also this one, there is this one, business retail, and there is also this one, home premium retail. So you're going to just get any of the link, but consider the architecture. This one is online, and this one is online but 32-bit. This one 64-bit. I will select this one, and then I'll download the setup. So let us wait for it to download the setup. So as you see, the setup is right here. I'm going now to locate it in my downloads. I'll come and I'll double check onto it, or double click onto it, and then it will also install Microsoft Office. As you see, it will install Microsoft Office 365. So as you see, mine, because it is installing in the background, they are telling me this, that Microsoft Office 365 and Office are already being installed. So that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. As you see, this one is installing Office. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Marius Tech, and I sign out. Don't forget to support me by subscribing and liking the tutorial. I sign out. Let us meet in the next tutorial. If you want to activate it, the video is at the end screen. Also, I've put some cards on how to activate Microsoft Office 365.